Hello and welcome back to my poorly fitted out narrowboat. So where are we on today? Right, well, we're saying the end of the last one. It's the floor has got to be done, and it means that the kitchen has to come out because the floor goes under the kitchen. So the plan is to do this half and then move everything over and we'll do the second half. But first two units and the cooker is out. We've got a new cooker and we've also got a new 12-volt fridge. So really today is just pulling this old floor out and getting it cleaned. Get ready for the new floor going down. So yes, it's going to be a long one today. I've already banged my head, scratched my back and hit my thumb today. I'm going to be in here in an hour. Just see the footstep under the water about 4 inches that side. This side is nearly out of the water. We're listing over now to the left quite considerably. And the reason why is because we took out the cooker, 2 kitchen units, and underneath the cooker and the drawer unit that was here were these 6 of them. I'm presuming the 25 kilo blocks of iron to help with the balancing. So that's gone over onto that side, so it's made us all list a bit now. It'll be right, it's only about 2 foot deep, we're not going to sink far here. We vacuum now, we swept behind them pipes. We're waiting for a decision on the paint for these walls, so we can paint just this one wall and get the radiators back on. We can get everything plumbed back in there because we've no central heating at the moment because we've got radiators disconnected. So although we're not concentrating on decorating, painting and what have you just yet, we do need it doing so we can get the radiators back on. So it's just this one wall. It's only take an afternoon, but we was waiting for the kitchen cupboard doors to arrive so that we can make a decision on the colour of the paint. Wife's just texted me they have arrived today, so we'll have a look at that. We'll get on that next few days, but for now, yeah, it's this flooring now. So I've got 7 packs of flooring and 2 packs of underlay, and I've got to go up Heartbreak Hill and bring everything down from the car. Now I've learnt now, do not go up them stairs with empty hands because it just leaves you loads of stuff to carry up at the end of the day. Try and break it up for like the day because yeah, he's just wasting my energy up and down them steps. Alright, what should we do? Should we have a tune, bit of a time lapse and get a bit of flooring done? This was in the original bathroom. It's like a bottle stand for it. We've got a new door for that. So I thought we'd utilise that, and we've put that in there. And this is a brand new refitted cooker. I've just gone in today. But we've also got the pan drawer that fixes to the bottom, so you can use this space. But at the moment, I've got all my ballast under there. I just needed to get into a cable in that bit. But regardless, the baseboard, in fact, all of them, they are looking pretty sorry for themselves. A standard IKEA kitchen chipboard. Get a bit of moisture on them, it's going to start bubbling and that. So I'm going to make new ones out of probably some 12mm ply. That's a job for the future. However, at the other end of the boat, we have reached a point of no return. Yes, this is the fireplace. Changing the tiles anyway. We are going to do a little bit of work on the more so as well. Clean it up, get it repainted and what have you. But regardless, needed this to come out because the floor goes underneath it. But we've had a little bit of good fortune for once aboard Tracy Joan, in that we have got proper steel. All this is steel. This is a fireplace surround and base unit, so that's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Hello, welcome back. Right, to the next day. I think Tracy Jane is finally bending to my will. Yeah, she tipped me into the canal last night. I was carrying rubbish up to the car and bringing flooring back down, and I put my foot on the side of the boat, slipped in. Before I knew it, I was up to my taters in cold canal water, so it was a good job at the end of the day. The state of it, look at the mess everywhere, but it's the only way that I can work. I've just got to get it done. We're worrying about that later, but we've got all the flooring underneath the edge of the floor, underneath the edge of the fireplace, so when that is tiled, that is going to look great. Now, we're propped up now with fishing sticks, bank sticks. Got the washing machine in this unit out, holding the breakfast bar up. Remember, I said I did not want to disturb that. There's my joints there, look, where it's mited in, because this is breakfast bar 90 wide, and that over there, their kitchen worktop 60 wide, something like that anyway. But yeah, I just did not want to disturb that really. I like it, and not only that, if I had to replace it, it cost us a fortune. So right, I'm going to bring the flooring down to here. Then we're going to get the washing machine in this one unit back, get the support back on the breakfast bar. And then we come to the kitchen units. Well, the side plates come off, so I can get floored under that. Underneath there, that's my hot water accumulator, give me hot water pressure. I can take these legs off, the plastic legs, which will let me get a little bit further back. Once we're up to about here, fridge to come out next, and then get this side plate and that side plate off. And then I can get all the way under the step, and it will be flooring complete. I mean, we've got a lot of finishing off to do, but it means that the kitchen can go back in, all the units, a lot of this rubbish can be cleared down, put carpet back down and the chairs out, and we can come back to the boat and actually stay on it again. So big push this weekend for that. I'm on my last divider piece. That one there, there's various ones in here and various ones in here that separate off the washing machine. And of course, because the floor is higher, it means we've got to cut the bottoms off these separators. Now here's the last one. Now they are made from chipboard, most kitchen units, and if they get wet they turn to Weetabix. That is, all the water soluble glue just kind of lets go and all the bits just crumble away. So I'm going to cut the bottom of this, and then to seal it back up to the element, you can see what was already got in that one, but you can see with a fresh cut we're going to cover it up with edge banding, which is iron on, and then trim it off, and it should just keep minor spills, the water at bay, from soaking in. Needs a good cleaning. Oh, bloody filthy that. So right, let's get this marked, trimmed and edged. Anyway, there's the tool. This is reversible or manual. You can use this on any size boards. Squeeze it. I'm going the right way. No, that way. Squeeze. That's it. Trims both sides for you. Lovely. Right, just do the ends, and then I've got this back piece to do, and we're good.